Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money. I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. After two consecutive days of up move both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, today clear signs of profit booking was seen as told earlier. If you see Nifty today, it closed 78 points down at 15,030 and Bank Nifty today closed at 33,685, which was down 237 points. And with clear conviction, when I told market will see profit booking, and yesterday I even clearly signaled during market hours that yes, we will see a gap down open, and today after this gap down open, market sustained at lower levels. And in fact, we are trading below yesterday's low on Nifty future, and crucial Nifty future level of about 15,070 was well taken off, and in Nifty futures we are trading below these levels of 15,070, and tomorrow if we open either below 15,070 or we start trading below these levels, I won't be surprised to see another 70 to 100 points correction at least on Nifty future. And for weekly expiry, 15,200 will definitely act as a hurdle, and any call options of strike price of above 15,200 or 15,200 sold by option sellers, they will eat the premium. Now people ask, how can you say this with this conviction when it comes to market and specifically on very short term, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty? There are only two ways I can do this. One, using the power of market profile, and two, using the power of order flow. If you want to time the market for very short term, you require a very powerful trading system, and that is what market profile and order flow will provide. But along with this, having proper risk management is very important. If you see today, the new COVID cases came at around 2,67,000, and it is way below the peak levels of 4 lakh per day which we were hitting before. Even though the COVID cases are subsiding now, market is showing some signs of profit booking. People will ask, why is this happening? For a simple reason, market is always a future looking animal, and it will discount the expectation of future as of today, and what is happening today is not what market reflects today. This is a very important learning which a short term trader has to keep in mind. And if you see today FII data, they have sold to the extent of 700 crore. DIIs have also sold to the extent of 850 crore. So that means around 1550 crore of selling has happened both by DIIs and FIIs who have bought the retail. But this time I want to clearly say signs of profit booking is clearly evident on screen, and even if we touch the all-time highs on Nifty, which is at around 15,400 levels, the risk reward right now to go long is not favorable. I won't be surprised if we see market going to all-time highs, testing it once and then seeing a correction. But however, the risk reward is not favorable going long right now. After 2000 points of up move in Bank Nifty and around 400 points of up move in Nifty, definitely the risk reward is now not on the long side. And also let me tell you, superb results came from Tata Motor, but still on expected lines. The positioning before the result was already on the long side. From levels of 280, Tata Motor has already gone before results to the levels of 335. And having seen this up move from 280 to 335, post great result, Tata Motors saw profit booking, and even management outlook was not taken positive, and now you have Tata Motors at levels closer to 310 to 315. For all long term investors, 280 to 285 will be a great support, and these levels have to be tracked by someone who wants to buy Tata Motor for investment. And today the special learning has to come in the form of cryptocurrency. Today morning in our Easy Money program, and I want each one of you to check it once, I clearly told, and I have been repeatedly telling about cryptocurrency, and I even did a special video on Dogecoin as well. If you see Bitcoin and most of these cryptocurrencies, today people know when I said morning, rather than putting your money on cryptocurrencies, put it on a lottery ticket. And I even told the amount of volatility what these cryptocurrencies have, it is not worth definitely taking any trade position, and only short term. And people with small capital like 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, these people think they can make their money huge by trading into cryptocurrency, but none of these people know when market turns the other way around, they will be wiped out because of leverage. And you don't have to have a 20% move in order to get wiped off. Even sometimes with high leverage, a 5% move is sufficient to take you out of market. And today you have seen 20% correction in the last less than 10 to 12 hours in most of the cryptocurrency, which I warned much before in today's morning video. And if you see right now, all the cryptocurrencies like your bitcoins are all trading way below 20%, and from the peak, the highest level, most of the cryptocurrencies are down close to 50%. Imagine the fate of people who went into cryptocurrencies and who bought putting all their money. By now they would have got wiped off. Many people ask me, when the fall is about 20% or from the peak, when the fall is about 50%, how will someone lose all their money? Today, if the fall is 20%, they would have lost only 20% of their capital and still 80% is intact. No, you have to understand something called as leverage. These products give you such a heavy leverage, even a small move against your level, you will be wiped out from the market. Imagine someone who went short today on any cryptocurrency, he would have made money of his lifetime. Now, what is going short? When you sell something and when the underlying asset declines, we call it as shorting, and you make tremendous money when the underlying asset falls. When you short, but if the underlying asset goes up, you will lose money. Imagine the fate of people who were long or who had bought all these cryptocurrencies, and today chart check should be definitely on cryptocurrency. So on your special easy money show today, I'll be checking the chart of Bitcoin. I want you to see this chart very carefully, and this is the Bitcoin on USD dollar, which I'm showing you. If you see the highest price where it had been to, and on dollar terms, the highest level it had been was around 66,000. So from 66,000, the current price right now, it is trading at around 31,000. So from 66,000 to 31,000, it is below 50% from the peak. I repeat, 50% fall from the peak is what you have seen in Bitcoin. Now from this peak which you have seen here, which was at around 66,000, now the current price, if you see, it is at 31,000. So the fall has been so steep, and imagine the leverage positions people would have got wiped off, and just within no time this big fall has seen in cryptocurrencies, and in one of those, Bitcoin is what I'm showing you. Now people ask, where is the next level of support which you might get in Bitcoin? So let me just show you that on the screen. So for me, the strong support for Bitcoin comes closer to 20,000. I repeat, the number is 20,000. However, there is one level of support which might come much before that, somewhere at around 25,000. So this range of 20,000 to 25,000 now acts as crucial support zone. And now people ask, can I go short right now at 31,000, because you are giving levels of 25,000, which is another 6,000 down, and which is another 20% down from current level. But let me tell you, for some reason, for volatility, I'm telling, if we get some amount of bounce back and then it falls, let us say you get a bounce back like what you see on screen, from current level there is a bounce back and then it falls, this bounce back will eat away, because of the volatility what you have, it will eat away your capital. So please understand, this type of trading is just not trading, but it is gambling. In fact, someone asked me this beautiful question today in our question segment. He asked me, is trading gambling? And he said, when trading involves no certainty, is it not gambling? So my simple answer was, Trading is, yes, a gambling for someone who trades with no knowledge, or someone who trades with ignorance, or someone who trades with no risk management. Yes, for him, trading is gambling. Do understand, in life, everything is uncertain except death. There is nothing which is certain, but the beauty is, even though death is the only thing which is certain, when you die is still uncertain. That's the reason why human beings like you and me put in efforts, because we don't know when we die, but even though we are sure one or the other day we have to die, let me tell you, it is only pessimistic people who think this way negative and say everything is uncertain, and so too markets. Yes, markets are uncertain, but then you don't have to be right on every call. You are just one trade away from achieving your dreams and your financial freedom. But then, till then, do you have the perseverance? Do you have the continuous learning? Do you take responsibility for your learning and for your trades? That's the big multi-million dollar question. And I want each one of you to understand that yes, you're just one trade away from achieving your financial freedom, your financial dreams, and whatever you want. But till then, are you ready for continuous learning? I want each one of you to clearly understand Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have shown what it is today. And morning, when I updated, I clearly told better to even try lottery ticket than Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. And what you see now is a huge fall. And I'm sure many who are asking about cryptocurrencies have got an answer today. Do forward this very special video. Lot of learnings which you have got in this program to each and everyone through social media, whether it is WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Without fail, do forward this video. That encourages us to do more videos. Hit the bell icon as well as subscribe for this channel so that you get notifications on a regular basis whenever we update video. Put in your comments on the learnings from this particular program and what more you want in your Easy Money program. And thank you for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy, and will come with special videos as usual. Take care. Bye bye.